everyone, welcome to Creating a Dream. We are at Disneyland again to do a pin trading update.
Yes, I'm so excited. We're hopefully going to try to finish the new Hidden Mickey pin set that we started the last time that we were here. So excited to see what we can find and see if there's any other new hidden mystery box pin sets that we can get this trip too.
Yep. So we decided to start the day with my favorite thing, which is coffee and riding the train. So we're going to get off on the Tomorrowland station and head over to Tomorrowlanding to see what pins are in stock.
Okay, let's do it.
Choo choo, toot toot, clickety clack, and just like that, here we are, New Orleans Square. Please remain seated and stay on the train. This station is closed due to construction. Thank you.
So fun fact about the train is that I don't think it's going right now, but the telegram station here, when you hear the Morse code, it's playing Walt's opening day speech.
That's right.
Yep.
Hey, you guys want to find a hidden Mickey?
Yes.
And all right, look at the fence coming up. The second to the last boat.
This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every
Oh, I see it. I never noticed that one. That's a good one.
Did you see it?
there is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Station, please remain seated till we come to a full stop. This is the future. You can tell, look how small the cars are getting. Please remain seated till the train stops completely.
So we just got off the train so that we could hit up the Tomorrowlanding pin store to see if we can find some more of those foil packs.
We really want to try to complete the set, so let's see how many we can find.
Yep, let's get in there.
Okay.
There's nothing really new in here, but there is this
These
new
are cute.
Nightmare set here.
They're in little buggies.
Yeah, they're in Doom buggies.
So those are pretty cute. Cody likes to collect the Lock, Stock, and Barrel characters, and then Oogie.
Yep. 02 if I can
And
get
Zero,
it.
yeah. And then they have the restock of the Disney dogs.
Oh yeah, these are cute.
But Nana and Oliver are the only ones we need in the set.
Mm-hmm.
I'm really bummed they don't have the new one.
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Guess we'll have to try the next store.
Wanna go to Westward Hill?
Yeah, let's go to Westward Ho.
Okay, let's head over there.
Okay. So we found 3 packs at Westward Ho of the new mystery pack, the silver foil with the pink text. So we're gonna open, oop, that's a spider web. We're gonna open these and see what we've got. We've got some pins left to get on this one because there's a lot of pins in this set. So,
Yes.
oop, I think we have this one.
Oh, yep, that's a double.
The Belle D. So we have that one. And then the second one is the completer Jack. This is the second double that we have.
Shoot.
Apparently this is the completer and we've pulled this pin 3 times.
Yeah, hopefully we can get some good trades off that. I really want the Halloween Mickey from this set.
Yes.
My most wanted pin right now.
I forget what the last, I think I just want all the ear hats and I think we're close.
Yeah, we only need 2 more.
This is another double.
Shoot.
Got the Belle ear hat, but we already have this one.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got a double. Oh, I see a Mickey. Which one is it? It's the Valentine's Mickey.
These are
Cute
good trades,
though. Yeah, good
Unless we're
trade.
gonna keep him. We don't have him yet.
I think we're just gonna keep the Christmas one that we have, and then we have. I think I kept the Easter one too. Well, I don't know. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm not sure if I want to keep that or not. But definitely the
last pack. They
last
seem
pack.
to be out of stock of these, so
It's hard to find them right now. All right, what do we get?
a new one.
New
Nice.
T-shirt.
We don't have Black Widow.
We don't have Black Widow, and I think we're missing one of these now to look at the rest of the pack. And then we got another D. Oh, it's a new one.
Nice. The Hades
We got
one.
Hades. Woohoo!
That's a very in-demand pin, so glad we don't have to trade for this
Yes,
guy.
I'm glad
So
that we
nice.
found that. So that's great.
Cool.
So we've got,
What? 3 new ones?
3 new ones,
And 3
3
trades.
doubles. Yep.
All right, let's head over to these tables and get some trades in.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we just did our first pass of trading at the tables. Everyone was so nice. There was so many fun pins. We actually have a really cool, good haul. We got more of the new Hidden Mickey set and some other pins that we were trying to get in our collection. So we got the Jack ear hat that Cody was really excited about. So that's part of the new Hidden Mickey set. So that one's really cute. So we got that one. We were talking about the Disney dogs earlier, and we no longer need to buy any boxes because we got this one, which we really wanted, the Nana pin. Say it, babe.
Oh, Nana.
So I'm really excited about that. And then in the another one for the Hidden Mickey set, we finished the Jack Jacks.
Yep.
This was the last Jack Jack that we needed.
Jack Jack's complete.
So Jack Jack is all done. And then we got the last of the t-shirts. So now we've got all of these. So Loki was the last one. So completed the t-shirts.
Nice, getting there.
And then last time we were here, we finished the princess heel set, and I've been working on the villains heel set, and we got 2 more of those. So we got Evil Queen, just super cute, and then we got Maleficent, which Cody said he was gonna try to steal this one from me. She's really cute. So now we have 6 of the 7 villain heels, so we're just missing Hades, which is a hard one. We've seen it a couple times, but people won't trade us for it for certain ones that we have. So far, good start at the pin haul.
Yeah, good trades so far.
Good trades. We're still missing 3Ds and 1 ear hat. One ear hat
box ghost.
which is the Hatbox Ghost. I don't think we're gonna get all the Mickeys. We did get the Halloween Mickey that I found for Cody. So I think we're done with all the Mickeys that we wanted, unless we end up pulling more if we ever are able to find more, because they're really hard to find now. But everyone's really excited already about the new pin sets, the Haunted Mansion one that Cody was looking at, and the Nightmare set. So
I may have to go buy some.
yeah, you want to do that now?
Maybe in a little.
Maybe a little.
Yeah,
Okay.
we got a lightning lane for
Indiana Jones.
So
All right, let's go do that next.
Stepped on the diamond. What the heck? Why would you do that? Well, we're cursed.
That sucks.
Yep.
Bestest hour, 276, 600.
It's close.
That's insane.
Best in vehicle.
Woohoo!
Okay, so we are headed back over to Disneyland. We had some lunch and we're now very full.
Yes.
And we're gonna go to hit the last hour at the tables for trading pin trades.
And see what else we can trade for. Cody, have you decided if you're gonna get the new sets or not?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get some.
Nice. So
do
we'll
a
probably hit
couple of
Westward
things.
Ho first.
Yep. Get a couple of those nightmare boxes and see what we can trade for them.
Okay.
So I definitely caved and I bought the new Nightmare for Christmas mystery pins. Just a little refresher on what's in there. I really only want Oogie and Lock, Shock, and Barrel.
Shock.
Yeah.
I just call it stock. I
Yeah.
always say lock stock.
But there seem to be good traders, so I'm not unhappy with any of them, I guess. There's 2 in this pack, so let's see what we got. Well, one of the 4. Nice. That's
Those
Barrel.
are cute.
Yeah.
That's Barrel.
Yeah.
Not too big.
No.
Alright. That's number 2.
Yes. Boogie's the best one.
Nice.
He's also really hard to trade for, so
Yes.
I'm glad I got him.
I'm glad you got it too.
It took me forever to find Boogie on the other Nightmare set, so nice. All
I
right.
kind of hope you pull another Oogie for trading purposes.
All right, pack 2.
All right, let's see.
Oh my gosh.
Yay!
I think this is Lock. No, this is Shock,
Shock?
I think.
Okay. I never remember which one's
Yeah,
which.
I think he's Shock.
Very cute. All
All right,
right.
let's see if I can get the 4 combo.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh,
Aw, Sally.
we got Sally. Oh, we got one trader.
Cute.
So,
Very
nice.
good. So these came out a while ago, I think, and then they just restocked them. And can we just take a moment? Look how cute this packaging is. Like
Very good package.
It's a little, like, marketing got me, I'm not gonna lie. The only thing that sucks is there is only one pin in here. But, so this is the set. I really just want the Piglet pin. That's the main one that I'm going for, but we'll see. And honestly, I think any of these would probably be good traders. I really don't know how to open this box, so I'm just gonna kind of destroy it. So please hold.
What'd you get?
I think this is Pluto.
Yeah.
So it is cute. I will most likely trade this though, but I'll hold on to. Hopefully somebody will want this and they could trade for something else. But I really wanted the Piglet pin, or the Mickey one would have been cute too. But out of all the characters, Maleficent's pretty cute, but like I don't have to have that. But I really wanted the Piglet pin, so we'll see what we can trade for. But those are fun. They're very cute. I do like the little flower set. So, all right, we're gonna do one more pass over at the trading tables and see what we can find before the time is up. So let's go take a look. So we wrapped up our last round of pin trading at the table before 3 o'clock, before they closed. We got 2 more trades. So we actually finished the Villains heel set, which is very exciting. We got the Hades heels. This is the last. We got 3 villain heels today, which is great. So we now have finished the Princess heel set, the Villain heel set, and we're still looking for the Diva heel set. So that'll be our next find. And then this was Cody's trade. I'll let him talk about this one.
Yep. So I got the Vision from these kawaii cute Marvel sets. This is from I think Series 2, but there's only a few from that set that I want. So knocking those out. I think the last one I need is Yondu.
Yep. Very cute.
Not as successful of a round as this morning, but it was still a lot of fun.
Good. Yeah.
But I think that's going to wrap it up for this pin trading video. We are going to probably try to hit the cast member board tonight, so if we get any trades, I'll put them right here at the end just to see what we got. But yeah, thanks for joining us on this little pin trading update video. Leave a comment below on what pin you liked the best from our video, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.